In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and style text in your video editing project, ensuring your visuals are enhanced with clear and compelling text overlays. The process is straightforward, so let's dive right in. Start by making sure your video clip is placed appropriately in your timeline. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for where you'll be inserting your text. Make sure you're at the point in the timeline where you'd like your text to appear on the screen. To begin adding text, you'll need to use the Type tool. Simply look for the Type tool icon in your toolbar, identified by a T. Clicking on it activates the tool. Now, locate the Program Monitor, which is essentially your preview window. Click directly within the monitor where you want the text to be placed and type your desired text. This action instantly creates a new graphic asset, or text layer, in your timeline. If you prefer an alternative method, you can head over to the Graphics menu. From there, you can select New Layer and then Text, or you can open the Graphics or Essential Graphics windows to create a text layer. This gives you some flexibility based on your workflow preference. Once your text has been entered, it's time to style it. With the text layer selected, the Properties panel is your next stop. Here, you'll have the chance to change various aspects of your text, such as its font, size, and color. You can also adjust alignments and apply any strokes, shadows, or background fills to suit the aesthetic of your project. If you wish to move or scale your text within the Program Monitor, the Selection tool, represented by a V, will be your tool of choice. Additionally, if you prefer more precision, you can make these adjustments in the Effect Controls panel by modifying the position and scale settings. Now, let's talk about how long you want your text to appear on the screen. You can adjust this by dragging the edges of the text layer in the timeline to increase or decrease its duration. Make sure the text layer is placed on a video track above your actual footage, like V2. Allowing it to overlay the video properly. Having done this, previewing your work is crucial. Play back your video to ensure that the timing, visibility, and readability of your text are just right. If something is off, you can make minor tweaks to your style or even add some animation enhancements, which we'll explore in another tutorial. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to mastering text overlays in your video projects. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different styles and settings to find the perfect look for your text. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.